Hey everyone, happy holidays. I'm Jen O'Hanlon and this is your end of year market update. 2022 is coming to a close and I still can't believe what a whirlwind it's been. I think it's definitely time to take a look at the real estate market on the Vineyard and talk about what the experts are predicting for 2023. Personally, I had my own real estate journey in 2022. I sold my home of 18 years, my family and I moved into a winter rental, then we lived in a camper for part of the summer while our house was being built. So if you're thinking about building on the Vineyard, please give me a call. I have some new inside scoop I can share. But for now, back to our year in review. First, I'd love to share some Vineyard stats. We had a very busy first quarter of 2022 with homes selling at about the same pace as the previous 2 years. Then, as interest rates went up quickly, in the spring it almost felt as though things came to a screeching halt. Now, that's not quite true as people have been buying when the price is right, but lots of people did pull back immediately, like they did around the country, and they're still on the sidelines, and this has included many cash buyers as well. So here's a summary from LinkMV with the number of total sales and average and median selling prices. As of December 19, we had just 318 single and multifamily homes sold. Even if we have 15 to 20 more sales before the end of the year, we are below the lowest year here, which was 2019. Interestingly though, look at the selling prices. Both the average and median have gone up. For 2022, the average was actually about $2,187,000. Just slightly up from 2021, and the median was 1.5 million. So this shows us that while sales slowed, prices have stayed high. This may very well have to do with the lack of inventory. Even with significantly less sales this year, we still have less available homes than we've had in past years. Currently, in December of 2022, we have 109 homes available for sale. Look at these stats from LinkMV. We went from 203 available homes in December of 2019 down to just 71 last year. Now we're moving back up, but it will be a little longer before we can consider this a balanced market. So sellers, you need to be reasonable and price your home according to what we are seeing as comparable sales, not what may be for sale currently or a higher number just to test the market. Quite frankly, that is a losing strategy. What's in store for the future? Really, it's anyone's guess at this point. In a Forbes Advisor article out today, they have quoted many experts. Check out what they have to say. I won't read through all of this, but if you want to, feel free to pause the video and take a few minutes to check it out. Basically, predictions are all over the map. But if the rates do get near 5% in 2023 and you're a serious buyer, you should be ready to jump when this happens. And you need to be working with a lender and a real estate agent so you have a pre-approval and can be quick to submit an offer when the time is right. And one important detail to note is that local banks on the Vineyard often have lower rates than you may see nationally. For example, just last week, one of our banks published a rate of 5.75% for a 30-year fixed loan. Okay, so off script now for a minute. I really want to talk to buyers. Here's the deal. If you are on the sidelines thinking, I'll buy when the rates get back to 5%, ask yourself this. How many other people do you think are doing the same thing? When the rates do go down again, all the competition is going to be there and there will be bidding wars and homes going for a lot more than what they may sell for now. So if you can't afford it, why not negotiate the price of a home now and plan to refinance when you can? I'm not telling anyone to take on a mortgage they can't afford, but if you're looking for a long-term investment on the island, it may really be the right thing to do. If you're trying to figure it out, just call an experienced agent or a lender. We can help you determine if the numbers make sense for you. I hope this information has been helpful as you think about your real estate plans in the coming year. Best wishes from myself and the entire O'Hanlon Group for a fantastic 2023.